stuff.
If you're going to collect your bags,
Okay, too.
if you check with the Alaska Railroad, then you're going to be heading to the left after you get off the train. Again, to the left.
Our left-hand side here at the 9 o'clock position. And the valley that breaks up the Chugach Mountains from the Talkeetna Mountains back behind us there is actually where the Matanuska River and the Knik River flow down. Both these rivers actually flow from glaciers that are located to the east there in the Chugach Mountains.
All right, well, folks, we made it in to Anchorage off the railroad. There's the train that we just got off, and now Eric and I are just walking to our hotel, aren't we?
Yep.
So, yep.
They really pruned these trees up.
Wow. So, yep. Good times.